Hey everyone, welcome back to the Shadow English podcast. This is Khan, and I'm so happy to see you again. In our last video, I talked about what Shadow English is, the method that helps you learn English faster and speak more confidently. Today, I'll show you exactly how to practice Shadow English every single day, even if you're busy, shy, or just starting out. So, if you want to sound fluent, natural, and confident in English, stay with me till the end. Let's begin. Part 1: What you need to start shadowing. Alright, before we start shadowing, let's prepare a few simple things. You don't need a fancy setup, just these: headphones or earphones, a clear English audio or video, like our podcast, a notebook or your phone for notes, and most importantly, your voice and confidence. That's it. Shadow English isn't about studying rules or grammar, it's about using your voice every day. Think of it like going to the gym, but for your English muscles. The more you practice, the stronger and smoother your speaking becomes. Part 2: Step-by-step practice routine. Con. Now, let's go step by step. Step 1: Listen first. Play your English audio once, just listen. Notice the rhythm, tone, and emotion. Ask yourself, how does the speaker sound? Confident? Calm? Fast? Step 2: Shadow the voice. Now play it again, this time, repeat immediately after the speaker. Don't stop even if you miss a word. Your goal is to follow the flow, not be perfect. If the speaker says, "I'm really happy to see you today," you say right after, "I'm really happy to see you today." Stay close, like a real shadow following a person. Step 3: Record yourself. Use your phone to record your voice while shadowing. Then listen to both the speaker and your own voice. You'll start to notice which words need work, maybe your intonation, speed, or clarity. Step 4: Focus on small parts. Don't try to shadow long clips at first. Start with 10 to 20 seconds of audio. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. When it feels comfortable, move to the next part. Step practice daily. Fluency comes from consistency, not intensity. Even 10 minutes a day can transform your English. Make shadowing a habit, like brushing your teeth. You'll be amazed at your progress in a few weeks. Part 3: Real practice example. Now let's do a short live shadowing exercise together. I'll say a few sentences, repeat them right after me. Ready? Let's go. I'm learning English every day. I listen carefully and speak clearly. My voice gets stronger with every practice. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. I'm becoming more confident every day. Good job. You just completed another Shadow English session. Notice how your mouth moves differently when you repeat the words aloud? That's your speaking muscle memory developing. The more you shadow, the more natural you'll sound, without even thinking. Part 4: Tips for faster progress. Let me share a few quick tips to make your shadowing practice